Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable OneDrive in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Start menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. This is your main hub for accessing all Windows features and settings. Once the Start menu opens up, you'll see a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in Apps and Features and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the Apps and Features settings window, where you can manage all the applications installed on your computer. Now, when the Apps and Features window appears, take a look at the right side panel. You'll see a complete list of every application that's currently installed on your Windows 11 PC. Since this list can be quite long depending on how many programs you have, Windows provides a handy search function to help you find what you need quickly. Look for the search button within this window and click on it. In the search field, type in OneDrive. This will filter the list and show you only the OneDrive-related applications, making it much easier to locate exactly what you're looking for without having to scroll through hundreds of apps manually. From the search results that appear, click on Microsoft OneDrive. When you select it, you'll notice that additional options appear directly below the app name. The most important option you'll see here is the uninstall button. This is actually the fastest and most effective method to completely disable OneDrive on your Windows 11 PC, as uninstalling it removes the application entirely from your system. Go ahead and click on the uninstall button. This will initiate the removal process and OneDrive will be completely disabled and removed from your computer. You won't have to worry about it running in the background or syncing files anymore. And that's it. You've successfully disabled OneDrive in Windows 11 by uninstalling it from your system. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.